You're moving through tall grass 100,000 years ago. The sun is going down. Something rustles behind you. You spin around and spot two yellow eyes catching the dying light. A cave lion, double the size of any lion alive today. 700 pounds of muscle, claws, and teeth. Staring right at you. No gun, no knife, not even a pointed stick. Your teeth are flat. Your nails are worthless. You can't outrun it. You can't outclimb it. You can't overpower it. So why are you still alive? How did your ancestors make it when nearly everything on the planet was built to kill them? Let's talk about what was actually hunting us. In 1924, Raymond Dart pulled a skull from the ground in South Africa that changed everything we thought we knew. It belonged to a child, and an early human ancestor, roughly 3 years old. Punched through both eye sockets were two holes, perfectly spaced to fit the canine teeth of a leopard. This child wasn't an accident. This child was food. For millions of years, humans weren't the hunters. We were the hunted, and the predators chasing us weren't just deadly. They were apex killers shaped by millions of years of evolution, purpose-built to take down large mammals. Take Smilodon fatalis, the saber-toothed cat, 11-inch canines, 600 pounds, built like a tank with a bite engineered to puncture the throats of bison and camels. It didn't run prey down, it waited in tall grass near water, then launched itself at 30 miles per hour. One strike to the neck and it was over. And it wasn't working alone out there. Arctodus simus, the short-faced bear, was the largest land predator on the North American continent, 12 feet tall on its hind legs, 2,000 pounds. Long limbs built for covering ground fast. Modern bears are opportunists. Berries, fish, scraps. The short-faced bear ate only meat and could hit 40 miles per hour. If it spotted you, you were already finished. Then came the cave hyenas, larger and heavier than today's hyenas, with a bite force of 1,100 pounds per square inch. Your jaw produces about 162. Cave hyenas could grind through bone to reach the marrow inside. They moved in coordinated packs of 20 or more, and they worked at night when early human eyes were nearly useless. Dire wolves in packs of 30, cave lions 25% bigger than African lions hunting together, giant cheetahs, scimitar cats, terror birds in South America standing 10 feet tall with beaks that could split a skull open. No matter where early humans went, something was waiting to kill them, and we had almost nothing going for us. A chimpanzee, our closest living relative, is 3 times stronger than an adult human. Chimps have real fangs. They can scale 30 feet of tree in seconds, and leopards still kill them regularly. We were slower than chimps, weaker than chimps. Our night vision was poor. We couldn't detect predators by smell from any useful distance. Our hearing was ordinary. Walking upright made us visible across open ground, and our infants cried constantly and couldn't walk independently for an entire year. By every biological measurement, we should have been wiped out long before now, but we weren't. They were. Every predator on that list is gone. We're still here. So what changed? The first tool was fire. Inside Wonderwork Cave in South Africa, archaeologists uncovered evidence of controlled fire going back 1 million years. Burned bones, layers of ash, repeated hearths. Fire rewrote the rules. A campfire throws a protective ring about 30 feet across. Predators won't step inside it. That response runs deep. Even African lions today give fire a wide berth. Fire gave us light when darkness left us blind. It gave us warmth in climates our bare skin wasn't built to handle. But more than anything, it gave us time. Before fire, sundown meant you went still and stayed that way until morning. After fire, you gained 3 or 4 hours every night. Time to craft tools, time to make plans, time to talk. And fire gave us one more thing: cooked food. Cooked meat delivers more usable calories and digests more easily. More calories meant the brain could afford to grow. A bigger brain meant better thinking. But fire alone wasn't enough. The second tool was endurance. As sprinters, we're embarrassing. A saber-tooth could reach 30 miles per hour in seconds. We top out lower and fade fast. But no other animal on Earth could do what we could do over hours. Persistence hunting doesn't require speed. You track your target at a steady jog, and fast enough that it can't rest, slow enough that you can sustain it. 3 hours, 4, 6. The animal runs, stops, tries to cool down, then runs again. It can't shed heat while moving the way we can. We sweat continuously through our skin even at full pace. The animal can't. Eventually it stops because its body temperature becomes fatal, and you walk up to it. Humans are the only species on the planet capable of this. That endurance is a core reason we're still here. The third tool was pattern recognition. Human brains became obsessed with reading the world, snapped Twigs meant recent passage. Disturbed soil meant digging. The shape of a track told you the animal, the size, the time elapsed. We began applying that same attention to the predators hunting us, learning their routines. Saber-tooths gathered near water at dusk. Cave lions kept away from fire. Short-faced bears held solitary territories. We watched, we remembered, we passed it on. Every generation inherited that knowledge and added to it. But the real weapon, the one that actually kept us alive, was each other. In 2001, a skeleton surfaced at Dmanisi, Georgia, dated to 1.8 million years ago. This individual had lost every tooth years before dying. No teeth means no ability to chew raw meat or process most uncooked food. They survived for years after that loss. Someone kept them fed, chewing food for them, or softening it enough through cooking. No predator does this. A toothless lion dies. A toothless human gets looked after. In Shanidar Cave, Iraq, researchers found a Neanderthal skeleton from 60,000 years ago. A healed broken arm, one blind eye, severe arthritis throughout the joints. He lived to around 40 years old. He couldn't hunt. He couldn't fight. His group sustained him anyway. That's the dividing line. We didn't just work together. We cared for each other. And we didn't just hunt as a group. We planned. Wolves run in packs on instinct. Humans ran in packs with assigned roles. You push the animal toward the ridge. You wait at the base with spears. You seal off the exit route. Language let us build complex strategies in advance. Throwing spears let us kill from 30 feet away, something no predator could counter. 5 humans with a coordinated plan, and throwing spears could bring down a saber-tooth. And they did. Around 400,000 years ago, the Schöningen spears were shaped in what is now Germany. Wooden, aerodynamic, balanced, built for distance kills. We stopped fleeing. We became hunters.